If you guys want your Napa leather to last longer and look better than when you bought it, you need to give it the same TLC you give the rest of the car. In this video today, we're going to talk about preserving and protecting your Napa leather. What's up guys, if this is your first time tuning in, my name is Anthony. Throw me a sub if you enjoy this video. And to my other subscribers, welcome back. So before we talk about cleaning and protection, let's do a little background on what the difference between Napa leather and standard leather is and why it deserves a special treatment. So what makes Napa leather different from regular leather is it comes from the top grain of the hide, and it typically comes from calves or lambs, and it's usually more pliable. So in comparison, genuine leather comes from any layer of the hide. Now they both go pretty much the same tanning process, but genuine leather is not as strong and as durable as Napa leather, which is why they use it in more luxury cars, bags, clothing, etc. A lot of time and care went into making it, so a lot of time and care should go into preserving it. All right, so when cleaning your Napa leather, you're gonna wanna start off with a dry microfiber towel to dust off any kind of pollen or any kind of dirt that's laying on here, any sand, before you actually start moistening the leather. All right, so next you're gonna wanna come in with a damp towel to just wipe off, again, any kind of excess dirt or sediment that's on the outside, and almost just do a rinse like you would your car. So that way you don't buff any of the sediment or dirt into the leather. So my cleaner I'm using today is the Meguiar's Gold Class Rich Leather 3-in-1 Cleaner, Conditioner, and Protectant. So I'm actually gonna skip the last step for the actual conditioning part. If you were to actually just use a regular leather cleaner, you would do like we did the first two steps, where you just dust it, damp it, and then do the light buff with the cleaner. Then you would want to let it dry first, and then when you're going to apply your conditioner or moisturizer for your leather, you would do that after it's already dry, and then let that soak in, but also still buffing off any excess. All right, so I let that dry for just a second. So next what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spray your cleaner directly onto the towel, not onto the leather itself, and just do sections at a time, and then buff off any excess that you have on there. And bam, just like that, clean, protected Napa leather. So obviously I have Alcantara where my heated seats are, so I'm not wiping that right now. But when you do go to clean your Napa leather, if you do have full Napa leather in your car, you want to make sure that you really do not want to get those wet. So this is a good step to take at least once a month or so, or basically as needed. Napa leather is not invincible to the sun or cracking over time. This is just a good preventative step to prolong the life of your leather. Again, it's high quality and you paid for it, you best take care of it. So that's it today guys, thanks for watching. As always, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.